Hey guys, got a Furrion 55-inch outdoor TV. We got an old Sunbrite. We're going to take these brackets off, put them on the new. We got our antennas here. Gonna adjust those. Got the door for the back panel. Already screws undone. Alright, so from the top of where the bracket is to the bottom tape, that is the distance. I'm going to measure take these off, and then I will measure on the other TV, from right here to the ground. That is my distance. So now I'll just put those on the new TV. There's the TV. Comes with a remote and waterproof cover. TV's mounted. That's it, guys. Please like, subscribe if you want more content like this. Take care.